dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Nigeria's former Minister of Sports and Youth Development, Solomon Dalong, criticizes President Bola Ahmed Tinubu after President Bola Ahmed Tinubu called on Nigerians to continue sacrificing for the country. Solomon Dalong said that sacrifice should begin with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and his government. My people will be small matter. Moving on after this, we have Phillip Shaibu backs APC candidate and he has labeled Ihodalo an outsider. But guys, for comments fully with this news, welcome back to our wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist, as we bring you back updates and information as they hot. So if today na your first time to join this wonderful channel, I beg kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell so that anytime our news drop, now you go be the first to watch out. My people, no be small matter they happen for this country. But make una relax, I go to bring you na the story as they come our way one after the other. To all our amazing subscribers, I welcome on especially. Thank you so much for joining us on today's news. So my people, make idea on the story. My country people, the Nigeria former Minister of Sports and Youth Development, Solomon Dalong, suggested that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's government might be under siege by a cabal. This is even as Solomon Dalong questioned the sincerity of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in calling on Nigeria to sacrifice, love the country, and also believe in the country. My people, you guys can record that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu recently asked Nigeria to sacrifice and believe in the country in his Salah message to Muslims. But Gbos suggested its confirmation that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's government was under siege by a cabal. In a post on his X handle, the former minister said that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's body language betrayed him completely from the social reality. He said President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is in his own word distant from the hardship confronting Nigerians, that from his analysis of the speech, that Nigeria is on autopilot, dangerous navigating turbulence. That does President Bola Ahmed Tinubu knows that Nigerians are suffering? Certainly not. That his reckless economy policies, wasteful expenditures, plundering of resources, insensitivity to pilot of citizens, boastful and egoistic squandering of goodwill, adoption of corruption, and nepotism as state policies are characteristics of this ignoble regime. That sacrifice should begin with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and his jumbo-sized government. Then Nigerians can take him serious. But for now, it's merely rhetorics and propaganda. My people, be small matter. Exactly what we are afraid of. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu be making Muhammad Buhari look like a saint. I hope the BACKD0WN are buying foodstuff cheap in their own market now, because they are the one that voted him in. He said we should sacrifice, and they are busy planning to buy another private jet. So management should start from him. Honestly, Solomon Dalong said it the way it should be. This government is looking like they don't care about anything or anyone else. We are not united. Tribalism has eaten deep into Nigeria. Because tell me why we have not stormed and demanded for better Nigeria. Because President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is making Muhammad Buhari, who is a mini pharaoh himself, look like a saint. How much can one be so out of touch with reality and be so blind to the plight of others? I believe that so many persons working with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu are not ready to discuss the hardship with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that is so far from social media, they keep feeding him with the opposite situation of the country. So I doubt if President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is being told the truth. The people around him are the problem. They are feeding him with lies about the suffering of Nigerians. Seriously, I've been thinking I play before, but the hardship in this country don't worst. Nigeria never had like this hardship before, and the government just they use people, they catch cruise. Well, Nigerians are the most patient and enduring people I know. In the face of this hardship, they are still looking for a way to make themselves happy. Well, in all you do, try not to forsake this period, because the kind of medical bills being quoted by hospital now, no be joke. So guys, I go like know what I think about this matter in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. Moving on to the next one. The former deputy governor of Edo State, Phillip, said he would be supporting the candidate of the All Progressive Congress, Senator Monday Okpebholo, for the September 21st governorship election. Shaibu was impeached by the State House of Assembly on April 8 after he protracted battle with Governor Godwin Obaseki over his succession bid. So he said Monday Okpebholo had the characteristics of the homeboy needed to take over governance in Edo State. So he spoke to the journalists on the sidelines of the Father's Day celebration at the St. Paul Catholic Church in Benin City. where he described the candidate of the People Democratic Party RI0US as a product of godfatherism, which he said that he had been eradicated from the political history of Edo State. That the former governor of the Edo State, Adams Oshomole, preached against godfatherism, and he joined Obaseki to fight against godfatherism during the 2020 election, adding that he had also learned new political strategies from the governor. So Shaibu said he's very happy and he's a very good learner, and he's learning what is most important in his life, and they must continue to learn till they die. That Governor Godwin Obaseki said he has the right to support whoever he wants to support, but he also thought that he doesn't have the right to stop anybody from supporting whoever they want to support. So it is his right to also decide who he wants to support. That he wants to support a homeboy, and he came into the contest to be governor of Edo State because he needed governors to return to a homeboy. He is somebody who understands his own plight and somebody who understands what the people are feeling, that they don't want an outsider because they have done some experiments with an outsider and it is not working. So it's time for them to go for homeboy. That they have only two homeboys in the major political parties, that one is in Labour Party and one is in All Progressive Congress, but he chose to follow the homeboy in the APC. That the man they are parading in PDP is an outsider, and they have also agreed that no more godfatherism in Edo State. That the man the PDP is parading is the godson of Obaseki, and there is no way a godson can be a governor of Edo State again. When Shaibu was asked if he would not be accused of anti-party activities since he is still a member of PDP, Shaibu said no, that it is not anti-party because he knows that in the last election the governor was one leg in the Labour Party and one leg in the PDP, so it can't be anti-party now. So on the capacity of Mondo Bobolo, Phillip Shaibu said that enough of English that takes them nowhere. They are tired of hearing that they are talking about governance, and the man who understands the plight of the people, he wears the shoe and knows where it pinches. He said RI0US is a man that has never voted before, so how can he be seeking their vote? And they are comparing him with Senator Mondo Bobolo, a sitting senator who is really a homeboy. Hey, my people. Now this one way Shaibu talk, not many people can they attack him. They say they don't confirm say Shaibu is shameless. That for these statements where he make concerning homeboy, that he should have just declared his support for APC candidate without talking about homeboy. Because any indigenous of Edo State is free to contest an election, and there is nothing like homeboy or away boy. That the truth is that people who stay outside in most cases have a broader view of things because of exposure, and it's even better than being a homeboy. That RI0US and Olumide Akpata are competent candidates that can move Edo State forward, and whoever wins between the two is okay for the state. So Shaibu just proved that he has no difference from typical greedy and selfish Nigeria politicians. My people, no sensible person will open his or her eyes and still vote anything APC. So far, no they tire una. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned. We really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next.